afterwards and animal together. The first one. Can you read?
Horse.
Horse? Can you read?
Horse. What's this? Monkey.
Oh, excellent. Excellent.
Pig.
You can read. F say. What is say? Can you read it?
Farmer.
Farmer? Okay.
Do you think you spell farmer?
Yeah. It's right. You're right. You're right.
Pig. Pig.
Can you read this word? Read this word.
Duck.
D.
See? That's like duck. That one. It means D-U-C-K. Duck.
Okay, go. Where did I go?
ให้เขาถูกด้วย
Horse. Hen.
Okay. I'm gonna doing fighter. I'm gonna do fighter. Fighter.
Why?
Read this word.
Elephant. Elephant. Goat. Cow. Rabbit.
So well done! You can read! This cup for you!